All right, you know who it is already. If it's the first time to the channel, it simply means that you don't know who am I. My name is Richard Brown of Richard Brown Films. And if it's the first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Because you don't know, we like what I go on. Wish we could post more often, but you don't know we post as often as possible. But big up on yourself, continue to support what we do.
What?
Good
Good
day.
afternoon.
Good day. You're grown up now, you know. And at time for you have one girlfriend. Cause me know why you act like no girl around me. You understand? Me need to see you with one nice, decent girl. Somebody where you can trust. You know? Trustworthy person? Yes. Honest person. Nice, clean girl. So me need you to find a nice girl and try them come to me, make me see me daughter in law. Because they come over from this, me need grandchildren. You're a big one now. Wait on in your house, I do. Now when you sit down in here so they watch me or your sister, you're a big man. Go look a girl and hear him come make me see say yes. This a woman you have for me, mommy. You understand? You get what me say?
You know you're right for true, mommy. You're right for true. Mama, I find a nice girl, you know. And any girl with me love, you definitely are gonna love her because once me find love, you're gonna love her. And I understand because me day at daytime just lock up a cook and clean and wish my sister if they do that and she don't want help out. So best thing we do is spread the wings and give enough grandchildren. If you want 5 or 6, I'll get 20.
That sound good, man.
Yeah, mommy, 20 is enough. Cause you have to start something so in the all at least me get 500 from each one. Me not really pressure them. Sorry, you didn't get 20 away.
Make sure so you find a good woman who will love you just the way you love her. You understand? Anyway, may I go back in my room or lie down? Here?
Alright, mommy.
Alright, cool. See your phone here. You see the next time when I talk to you, you put down the phone.
Alright.
And I saw me grow you. You understand? Okay, here. Give back your phone. What am I say?
Oh, sorry. Sorry, mommy.
Here.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you, mommy.
Alright.
Thank you.
So,
Oh. The question I'm ask, so what you say about you now?
Well, I've been thinking and we've been talking for a while now. So I think we'll give it a little try, and see how it work out.
I don't really want hear that part of me hear too much, but I want to know if you're my girlfriend, as in girlfriend, when we can say yeah. No, linking business, just girlfriend. Future wife.
Once you're ready to stand up to the responsibilities them, you can classify yourself as my husband, as my boyfriend, whatever you name it.
Uncle!
Oh, you're walking on the road, sir. A woman you walk with your girlfriend this.
Yes, me love uncle.
Alright, my nephew. She look good. Look at yourself, young girl.
Alright.
Take care of me now.
Yeah, man, no problem.
A part of the Brown family, you know. Alright, you don't do nothing. Me I come out of the road, is it?
Alright.
Alright, tell me your mother. Tell me say howdy.
Alright, uncle. Yeah.
Alright, later.
Alright, uncle.
What that for me?
How you happy so long?
Well, you know, say, I don't know for now, I want like a sleepover, so. But I said I'm gonna sleep out with my friend tonight.
Me nah another one then. If me did I go there with you, that different. But me nah go there. Who me fi send with you? Fi make sure say you're alright and you nah do nothing when me know say we come up in our head. Cause me young, you know, anything stupid can come in your head.
But, mommy, I'm Miss Cheryl's daughter. I remember say you know her, you know, because she young, so. And I like say she careless or nothing like that.
Rebel, you are young but you don't know Storm.
Alright, mommy. But, you see when me reach 18, me I go rent my own house, because I want my own independence.
You know what? You get too much you know. Until you reach 18, go on in you know. Right now you fi go in. Get up and go on in. Me now hold this a conversation with you no more. You go too far. Go on. You not reach 18 yet. And you plan to go out the road. Who you? Get up and go on inside.
Alright, mommy.
Me fi pearl an argument with you. Me outside is going.
Miss Cheryl.
Yes?
Yeah,
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening.
Where is Cher?
You know, say me not sure, maybe she there run her back or do something.
Alright, you can go call her for me, please.
Yeah, man, just give me a minute and me go call her, please. Yeah, see her here.
What one, Rebel? Cher, good.
I'm going next one there. Oh, where the pan?
You know, say me come check here, so we are going to take a walk around my yard.
Alright then, no problem. Come on.
Alright, Miss Cheryl, thanks.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
Girl.
Oh,
So weird. I want to get this a new tattoo here.
other day, I'm going to meet over Purple Plaza and I got charge me 8.5 just for this a little something here. Can you believe it? I wait, I want a tattoo.
Of course, girl. I just remember that I don't want to get none.
If you want a tattoo, your mother don't have to know. You can put your ears where she not going like your belly or your, you know, some little hidden places, yeah, for your body. You don't have to put it on your hand or so. A simple one tree, you only need 8.5. Me, I can buy down the price for you. You know, for yourself.
You know, say it true. So, want to a piercing right here, so it never hot.
Well, it had you know, but you see if you numb your body, like make them put out some rump on the ear before them piercing, you're not gonna feel it. I see them so the tattoo them too. When me I do them, me drink about one glass of rum and me no feel nothing, then just go on easy. Yeah. so I don't know if you worry about. So where exactly your pierce? One part of your nose or the two parts?
No, me go pierce one part and me go do the tattoo in my back. Oh.
Hi.
Hello,
Right?
Miss Jennifer.
Yes, mommy.
Hi, Cher. Come to your mother, Miss Cheryl.
You know, say me leave her over here door.
Sure, you know, said the other day, me and your mother out the road, they talk about blue drawers and potato pudding. And she make the nicest blue drawers. Friend, she give me the last time. I don't eat no more again. So guess what? You see when you go over, me need you to tell her, say, leave 5 of them for me. If me even pay for the 2 or 3, she said she go give me, but me want 5. Because I love blue drawers, but you know. Tastes good. Worse when she put the coconut milk in there. Your mother is the best blue jazz maker in this community.
Actually, Miss Jennifer.
Alright, sure. Me I go run at the back, they go do something. You did take up the something man for bed this morning?
Oh, yes, mommy.
Wait, come here, come. Because I know you staying when you come on to clean up place. Come on. Run us. Come. Right here. Need to talk to you. Come here. Come to me right here, sir. Rebel. Me not understand you. What kind of tattoo and pierce navel and bore nose and one person? Me hear every word that come out of your mouth. And them the kind of friend that you want to keep? Eh? Me send you to school to go learn about bore navel and pierce nose and tattoo and all kind of sitting over your back. Eh?
But mommy, me I get big now.
Get big your backside. Eh? So through your birthday soon come and you soon reach 18. What you feel like? Oi. Your age small. You no get big yet. And from your born at this size you have, you no grow no further yet. Let me tell you something. That the type of friend the way you are keep is no type of friend when me want you to keep you. You hear what me say? Me know the little girl long time, you know. Me know her from she in her mama belly. So me know Sherry long time and she can give her daughter name. What? Sher? Name next to she. So they are one of a kind. Listen to me. Not even go me no go a Sherry yard. I'm afraid me come see you have this girl sit down in a me big nice couch and me pay how much 100,000 for. Eh? You think say your papa give me money for buy a little girl? From him run with a friend all know me no see no part of him. No part of him me no see. You want come turn good for nothing? You don't say girl not taking book at school. If me spit a ground and it dry before you ground this one come back and me come round the come see Cheryl daughter in my house. You will see which God you they serve. Go take her out of my house. And them the kind of girl you want for your friend. Eh? And if you grown there and make she know say she know when they talk about around here so. And she come out materials. Rain they come down, go get her out.
Mama. Oi, ready to sleep, man.
Yes, man. Go long left me when I want to do so.
You know, see, I saw something me name remember for this morning, so me da finish it up.
Oh.
Yeah. So me go finish it up. Me I check it later.
Also, make if you go over now then.
Yeah, man. You check it later.
Make sure you check me now.
Yeah, man, me I come.
Alright. Oh. Then man, I feel sleepy because I got one party last night. You remember to tell the party nice couldn't done.
Girl, me wish we coulda come.
You soon can come, car. You leave have to come through the door now. You can just wait till the mother sleep and take the window.
Me go try.
Later.
Aye.
Me enjoy myself. No man never take me out and make me feel so good yet. You're the only man who take me out and me feel so nice. You make me feel happy. You wouldn't mind you carry me go anywhere me want to go at any time.
I'm so glad you enjoy yourself. Right now, my soul is so happy. And there's so much more to experience.
Really, babes? Me can't wait for you to carry me out again.
Oh boy. You know what I say? Really come want to visit my mother. Want you know my mother a full time now. How long now we are talk about 3 months now? So the best time now if you care go introduce her to my mother because I ask me say what my girlfriend there and I need to get a girlfriend. So I want to show me queen of my life.
B, I understand say we are deal for a while and you want your family then to know me and stuff. But remember, remember me did don't tell you already say. You see this whole family thing, me not really at the family type because my past I was there and with my ex mother and everything, she never deal with me good and then now the entire family turned against me and being with him was so uncomfortable. So me not say everybody I same thing. But when we meet your mother and you say you have a younger sister, right? When we meet them, I just hope they make me feel comfortable. And make me just want to know say they welcome me. You understand? So we can feel like a one family and we can feel more comfortable with you.
You know, if you fret me. You see, my mother know my mother a Christian. She don't judge people. She don't watch how people look. As long as you're nice to her, you tell her good morning, you tell her good evening. That's she. She don't really penetrate people. She don't study people. It's not like, when you go to 7-day church and then watch how you look. No, my mother don't see them way there.
When I know me already, say me I type when me wash, me cook and me clean. When me get up, me say good morning, good night. I want to mind if we can pray at night time before we go to bed. Because say a prayer all the while keep the family stronger and stronger. So I just hope she welcome me and make me feel accommodated and nice.
Me know for a fact that she have to welcome you. Because you can cook. And the recipe for the stew peas, I that me want to know so she can cook it too. Because if my mother they cook stew peas, we don't have to come for stew peas up here daytime. She could have cooked it too.
That recipe are between me alone. You understand? So nobody need to know about that. By the way, come we go in until we're ready.
Hello. Good night.
Good night.
How are you?
Ricky,
Rebel,
somebody here so.
Ricky.
Rebel, a man that carry in a mummy house.
Ricky, how much you carry man in a mummy house?
A bad man them here, them will beat you. Oh,
Hold on there. Me not there with your sister, And your mother me there with. Me a new step further.
Step your what? Step where? Step where? Please show this step out of the door.
Rebel, where your mother there?
She don't run a room, man. Me show you which one. Come in, say. Someone come to you.
Good night, babes.
Good night. What? How you look so?
Just come here a while ago. And I said good night to your son and disrespect me.
Hold on, then I can't deal with it. That boy don't have no manners. Let me have to talk to him. Ricky,
Yes, mommy?
get up, man, talk to him.
Oh, God.
Come over there, son.
You see, girl, come on, come here.
And that
You
man.
tell me, put him out.
Hold on. Ricky, you see Jagger is my man. Me need you to have respect and manners to Jagger. And your stepfather.
Step where?
Me stay around a room and hear around you start talking about me never know.
Rebel, you hear me shout?
Yes, and that show, Ricky.
Rebel. Chicken leg now, come back in the plate.
Anyway, your stepfather, whether you like it or not.
You're a man, but not my stepfather.
Ricky, whether you like it or not. You see how me put on weight? This a man here cost them a weight to figure up on me. Look how me look good. As since me there with him make me look good. So you know see since your papa left and gone now me maga down and stress out. Eh? You know me no no long talking. Whether you like it or not is your stepfather.
Mom, you realize what you just said? And this man I used to bully me. Me and him are the same age. You say him a put on weight, you soon take it off back. And if yam them me a cook round the give you. And put on weight since daddy gone, me a cook give you. Feel make you feel. If you say I make you fat.
Ricky,
Are you a man? And my father.
Jaga a different
Wow.
person now.
What, Rebel, you
He's
say what
not the
calling
same.
daddy, you calling daddy, but no me. Rebel and me here calling daddy, me a throw you to the door too.
Ricky, Jaga is a change man. Him different now. He's not the same type of person. So I'm alright now. I'm alright with him.
Rebel, you're such a nice girl. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, my stepfather.
Come on, go in my room, babe.
Awa.
Step. Yeah.
Awa.
Here's a little boy that 3 years.
In the matter, you be happy for mommy.
Happy for what?
Alright. Anyway, I saw when my old one a young boy too.
Hold on. But that talk about that tonight. Oh, I'm happy. All the money we happy about. Don't be afraid, man. You move like you're afraid.
Cause suppose your mother not like me.
Don't say that, man.
Just make sure, you know.
Tell me, man, I don't must know my mother, man. Mommy? Mommy, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You can go see me in the office, right? Mommy, how? I'm my girlfriend, you know?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, miss.
Ricky,
Yes, mommy.
I need to talk to you outside.
Miss, I hope everything alright.
Yes, mommy.
Ricky, what me tell you say? Can you look like you not ear good? You're not ear so good. Me tell you say you feel look one decent woman because you're a big man now. I mean, when you grow up in the house like you're no little girl. So you need to carry in a proper woman in there. Good decent.
So she not proper, mommy?
Shh. Good decent girl pick me. No. Look here, don't make us say where me are not when me not supposed to say. Right now, look, listen to me. Me say you fi get one nice, decent girl child and bring in.
Oh, mommy. She decent already. She can cook good. If ever taste her stew peas, bad.
Not do it. You know say me no name and me no licky, me no name for a young girl. You see the type of woman we are carrying here? What you call woman? Navel ring, head bleach out, and look on the type of clothes she in. Belly skin, every part of her body out the door. And them the type of woman they want. We expose ourselves to every man. What is wrong with you?
Then, mommy, if no man not see her how she look now, what me I gonna do that? That's what make she jet so. Me like how she look.
You
Man,
like,
get in daddy left you. Can you not do that?
oi, me no want you come up and stay like your dirty pooper. Your pooper no like see no woman dress decent and look nice and proper. Your pooper love the same little girl them where you got take up in they show belly skin and they with navel ring all kind of thing. I chew your pan on me himself no good. That's why I go pick up them the girl they and gone and find you know saying run we gone left on up on me. So that the lifestyle that you want. To pick up any and everybody.
No,
We look like them the kind of people they boy.
no, mom.
Look here.
Mom, tell her to change.
Oi.
Mom, tell her. You know,
No,
big
stand up,
nose
me I
in
talk
there.
to you. Listen. Yes, when you go around here, so Me no want you say nothing to her in front of me. Take her and go talk to her one side, but no care her back of me yard. I know them the kind of girl them want in my house. You
So
hear me?
listen, the day you talk about me, hear what you know. Me done with you. Cause you say for your mother not like me, it not gonna work. So just avoid me. And make sure say you don't have nothing to do with me again.
Hey.
No,
The
baby.
same thing me I tell you. You see the same thing? Come back in the yard, idiot boy. Come back in the
No,
yard.
call me. You can't cook stew peas.
About stew peas.
Baby. Come on, no. Just forgive her, please, because they know she get old, and so daddy left her and gone left with the young girl and feel like say you do the same thing to me.
Listen, you are one good person. But you see, me not even come the not even 1 hour ago that your mother start criticize me. And I go on and I talk one bag of things. And she, by the way, she don't know nothing about me. Look, I me tell you, me go through this already and me no want to go through it again. Me can't take a disrespect. And from she not like me now, she not gonna like me again. I me no want to go through a bag of disrespect. Because me tell myself, say, anybody, any mother-in-law will want to disrespect me again, me go disrespect them back and me not take certain things from people. You understand? So you know what we are gonna do now? We can deal. But me just now come here that in a no contact with the mother.
Me understand. Me go down, go talk to her. As a big man, me go make sure me adjust her and say, Mom, you can't do that, you can't choose me because you don't know what is right for me. Me must know what right for me. Rebel, I touch you, you know.
So, which way you go, Ricky?
Right now, until I told Rebel, I could have been on the roadside or my girlfriend yard because me not sleep here with no young boy and calling no stepfather. Me not see myself so. Me not stoop low like a mommy.
So, Ricky, why your problem with Jagger? Why you not like him?
My problem with Jagger, you don't understand Jagger. Jagger bully, strictly bully, and he go beat mommy and he go do mommy something bad. I mean, I'm telling you only they go happen. I walk, so don't tap me, me gone. If mommy asks me there, tell him I'm not sleeping here because he have that young boy here.
Alright, Ricky. But you feel still happy for mommy same way no, because you see how she happy and she have put on weight.
Happy? I never happy.
And where you want to sit down with us, Adam?
No, I'm just there out here up on my phone. You know, say, me have something to talk to you though about mommy. The reason why Ricky not sleep here is because him did tell me say Jabba used to beat him up when him there at school, when he used to go school. So him not feel comfortable for know say I him and stepfather.
Rebel, me ensure say, me take care of Uno until you grow up now. You understand? I was there for the both of you. Now me get old. Me need to enjoy life too. I want somebody young in my life. You understand? Jabba already told me that when he go to school, I'll be a trouble he used to be. Me already know. But him is a changed person now. He's different. Him is not the same type of person. Furthermore, me no want to no feel so no can come tell me what to do enough to make my life unhappy, you know. Because the other day him come here with him woman and me could even talk to him. You understand? He run back and girl and left me standing right there. He no listen to me. So, him no want hear nothing from me. Me no want hear nothing from him neither. Me a big woman. Me do what me feel like. I who me love and them me a talk to. So if you don't have a problem with Jabba, take it out on your head. So when me see Ricky, me we talk to him. Because Uno can't run my show. When me see me we talk to him, don't worry about it. Me tired of this now. Me can't take it no more. This is too much.
What you call me for? You see me I try to avoid the house.
Don't talk to me, sir. Come sit down here, sir. If you say, sure, come sit down here, sir. Ricky, me call you to talk to you about Jagger.
So why you have him you come about?
Boy, you feel that you reach certain age, you can't stand up and talk to me anyhow. Me dey talk to you, need to listen and shut up. And me still your mother, you could have even 100-year-old. Listen to me. You and Jagger used to go to school. That when you're very young. Little picnic thing that. Him beat you up at school, me understand. You know right, kind of nice if people bully other people picnic at school. But that person gone. You're a big man now. Jagger is my man. So what? Me no fi happy. And your workless pooper make me have to go there with Jagger, you know. Can go and left uno for me. And imagine, you not do nothing in the yard. You left Rebel and gone and they tell him how you not turning at the yard because you know like Jagger can use to bully your school boy. No make me have nothing because you see him like how me run out she. Me not afraid to run out because you're older than her. You more fi go up on the road go hustle.
Mommy,
You little and bright, eh?
the point we now get right now. Me at 22, Jagger at 22, you are 50. If I need somebody now then 60, mommy. It wasn't so bad. Young boy, mommy.
Me no want hear nothing from you. If I feel papa alone, me no name fish. This a fish, yeah? A Jagger bite. The whole I moon, I bright, I shine. Boy, I tell you one come tell me how to live my life. Who me fi there with from who me no fi there with. Age is just a number. You is my son and me understand. Say me older than him and he young. But look here. Every time I try the older man them, it not work, it fail. So me I try one young one and it look like it a work out for me.
Mommy, no, all of the moon I bright, I shine. Because no moon nah shine. Me saying young. Look at me, I'm my little nice, slim girl. And you say no like him kind of burrock. Me no can come and me have respect for you. Me go look for you when no one. You carry this young boy within my class. If you need 40, you won't hurt me. If you need 30, you won't hurt me. But mommy, 20 odd. Come on. Oh, I'm here for me. Sit down in a car with him. And I'm my stepfather. If he's still out there, I'm not come back here. I'm not coming back here. I'm not come back here. A full time here, put him down. Mommy, let me tell you this. If a man has a problem, I can't find me, go, they gonna find an old man for you. Even somebody just look into it.
Ricky, you are my son and I understand. But a Jagger me love, me can't get rid of him and you have to go accept it. And him are your stepfather.
Jaguar used to beat me at school, and what in of them can't come out. And he will beat you too. So one thing you have to tell yourself, when he beat you, no call me come in and come back here. Remember, say me want them woman. Remember. And don't call back my phone.
Who's that?
I'm a man, Rebel.
Oh, Rebel, what I'm good. Come in now. What good? You find me.
The place nice and good.
Thank you so much. So I want you to hurry up and go get your place so that me can come tell us that your place nice.
Of course. So tell me, how you feel if you live by yourself?
You know, so it's a great feeling though. Because guess what? You have your own privilege to carry anybody you want to carry your own a place and nobody now have to know about it. You understand? Then leave when they feel like leave. Because my boyfriend go and come. So that's say me a big woman now, me independent. Come on girl. Everything when me feel like I want to make can do come in anytime. You know when you're there? So nobody now say, what time now you're coming on my house and then we're there. Yeah. It's a great feeling.
That must feel nice with you. So, you know, if you go through window again and then look something
None of that. Pull your own door with your own key. You lock your own door with your own key. So there's nobody to answer to. You get what me I say? Yeah. There's a time, you know, when you just want to be independent, you know. Need fear. Go nobody yard or you know, if there's no parents yard, them a rule you. Because the parents yard, they rule you up, you know. And that me no like.
You know, say true. I want independent myself to cause I can't bother with mommy I tell me what to do every minute and I rule me and I tell me to do this and I tell me to do that. I want to live my own place, carry no more and carry in a night time and then look away then.
You dig.
Yeah, girl.
I'm glad you understand what me I say.
Yeah,
Yeah,
girl.
man. So you're not going home before your mother start asking you, okay, no sheet and you know.
Yeah. You know, say, actually, cause she good as the day I look for me and
Yeah.
ask about me
You
and
know
something.
she
So.
say she not normal.
So I pass me the pass chance to make a check it.
Yeah, man. Take care of yourself.
Alright, yeah, man,
Text
you
you.
too. Alright.
Rebel, how your place look so?
Oh,
Dirty from morning. Eh? From morning. You forgot say one mother we have and we can't stress her out. See me I go do the cooking and you sit down by your phone. 2 years 18 now. You feel like you're a big woman.
so what? Me not big man.
Big woman where? You have to make yourself. Get the map and map out in here. Else it will not turn in here. You are a woman now. You so go on road, go find who you want to find. If I did look old man up a hill here, they catch your skin for. We have the little big vehicle there. Go on. Go on. But wait till mommy come in here. Every time I'm here. Make me go around this about cook and come back and place and clean up. All far to know.
Rebel,
Mommy.
why you wipe the place so wet?
But mommy, it's not so wet. It's so dry.
You're not supposed to wipe the place so wet. I must drop your one if you drop. You need to squeeze out the map. You can't wipe the place so wet. You see one will fall down. You want to drop and broke some part of you?
No, mommy. Alright. Sure.
No, you have to go wipe back this over. Because it look like you have set some trap for your own self. Me don't know who you have set trap for. Me or your brother? Which one?
You not set no trap.
A matter of fact, where your brother there?
Ricky in the kitchen.
You figure out who you dey talk to. I watch you, me not rough you, not true?
Mommy.
Oh, when me I talk to you, look in my eye. Look in my face. Me say if I chew you reach 18, you feel say you can talk to me any you and do as you please and you feel like. Ah, this not do good. That's how me teach you to clean a place. Make sure so when me come back the place wipe up better than that. Because that not look good. Must trap yourself for your own self.
Mommy, for morning you sleep, you know. I ain't not cook nothing for morning.
Little girl, you know who you talk to? You how much year old?
Me at 18. My birthday no just gone last week. Me a big man now, no mommy, me can't talk to you now, you know.
You need to know yourself. 18, 19, you could have been 25. Me and your mother, you not contact to me so. So through your 18, you feel say you can contact to me anyhow. One to your hand them. Your hand left in your mother, me sure your hand not left in me. Go round stove. Uno young people not like light stove. You need to go look about something to eat if you're hungry. You is not a baby anymore. Yes, you're grown up now. You're a big woman. Go light stove and look about something to eat. So what? Suppose me did still asleep. You go dead for hungry? You need to know yourself. And you think, say, through a long time, me not put me hand on you. Me afraid to lick you. A liar tell.
And that's why I want independent, you know. I want big woman. Because me can't bother with every time me talk, you say, me a little pitney. Me a big woman now, me supposed to can talk to you. Anyway, me so come out here still.
You see it? Anytime when you start the man, a son will deal with no parents. You since as you need to be independent, why you don't go on for your own? Independent people live on their own and have their own things. You don't depend on parent. So go and go find somewhere for rent. Why you depend on me? You want mommy to cook, mommy to clean, mommy to wash, mommy for this, mommy for that. What else you want mommy to do? Go find yourself a job, you reach the age. Oh, Tada. Where there? You forgot the roof. How far roof you under? Mine, not yours. And you see that little dirty foot boy the way I talk to? He need to get independent too. He come like you don't know what independent means. Shut the hell up and find a job and learn to clean up place. Look what you do. Little Little girl, as a matter of fact, you see what you just said to me? You're so disrespectful. And you need to come out of my place. You see the little dirty boy where you have? When you have nothing for you, go and go live with him. Pack up your things them and come out before me pack you up. You understand me? Come and realize you don't have no manners and you're very disrespectful. And through your start of man, okay, wait the hold on. Through your 18, you feel say you is bigger than the world. A liar tell the world now run your left you. And you are run your left the world. Anything where they run down you will get it. Come out of my place. You hear what I say? Come out of my place because you're disrespectful and you have no manners. And you want to contact to me? Your mother will care you for 9 months on earth to come. Little girl, come out.
Anyways, a long time I want to come out to this field.
Come here, what I want.
Oi, come here.
I want to know, man.
You
You
forgot
have
your age.
manners too, man.
You forgot your age.
Right,
If I
go to the
shot your
place.
vaccine here. If me shot your vaccine here today, you're sorry the day when you're born. Go take up your clothes then. Come out.
And check up your mildew panty over there, sir.
Oi, take up your bag and come out. Come out. Pack up your things them and come out. You want brighty?
Where you are in the place?
Not
there?
another day.
Who you? Look at me as a big man, I go like a boy. Yeah, look, 18 years old now. Get that even tall enough. Who you? Remember the mildew panty, you know? Oh, yeah, man. One.
Make sure I say you throw one stone behind you because I don't want you back in my yard. Bright.
I'm finished. Cook, yeah.
You see your sister out there?
I tell you, say the little boy up a road he might take, but me I tell you in a moment, he will come back. Alright. Mark me word.
You know me. It look like she don't know me. She go come back but me there fear.
I'm going to finish cook.
Oh, nice, yeah, man.
Your mother in there?
Yeah, she in there.
Jennifer! Jennifer!
Hello.
Come here. Come here.
I will make you call me so strong. I want.
I just because I don't want to come for your premises if the police lock me up, you know.
How?
I was so with Pete. I was so. Pete could have, Pete and your son go to school the same time, graduate the same time. And a young boy you could have been mad. I was, wow, I want him.
Rosie, be careful when you talk to me in my yard. You forgot where you stand up? Look here. If your man did want you, and that stay with you. And if your body did good, he would have come home. Why your young man I can't look at old woman like me? Me proud of me age, but go ask your man where they hold him. And me I can't look for him and him I can't look for me, girl. Come out of me yard. I want you. Okay. Girl, if me ever tell you sitting in here today, and me can't look your man, you know, and your man can't look me, and you not take care of him, you not feed him, every clothes that they pan him back when you animal walk, who buy? Me. And that's why it won't look so good down the road. Hey, girl.
You should have shame for talk. You, a sugar mommy, him a look then. So you sit and take care of young boy and you feel proud that him a look for your motherly figure, that a womanly figure. So you know what you go come talk about.
And me a contact to so enough in me yard if you know me know you come out of me yard before me lick in your face. Girl, me all but me no call. You know see say your man attractive to me. And if me need to give money, you would have dead for you. Take your look here, come out of me yard.
You not done here, so. Remember me tell you, Rosie tell you, say, you not done here, so. So go and hype up yourself.
Rosie?
Hype up your own
Rosie,
body.
at the
Hype
first-
up yourself.
watch
You
out.
should have shame for chat. You should have shame for talk.
Congratulations, Rosie. At the first truth you chat since you come in my yard, it really not done because we and him not go done. You and him a go there, and me and him a go there. So the two of we man, and he not left me out. So when you the ask him say we in there, in the right hands and underneath, yeah, so under my arm, in on my bed, while you cock up on a fret man roadside over man. Girl, you know, say something good in my run come for. Eh? We not done for you and he really not go done and my man for your man so the whole of we man. Go on home go ask your man why after they come to the old man so about your sugar mommy. I have something better than sugar. I am the mommy and me ain't sugar. Girl, come out of me yard. Your finger should have dropped off a when you hold it up. Because if you when they hold you have to hold with it, it wouldn't left you. You know say I hold me, I hold it, that's why it'll leave you. If you come back in a me yard, that set me dog them pan you out hard about you come in a me yard and come go on like you want disrespect me. Girl, the next time you do it, I war out here. Ask the community about me, me no play. If you did that, take care of your man, you'd have stay in your yard.
Oh, get up there. What kind of fooling is that?
What kind of we are talk about? You normally come in tired and go sleep. Just come in tired and go sleep. Come in. Hey, me no.
Where go for Jennifer and your customer for? What am to you?
Yeah. Me glad how you confess. Because you know why me know say you're liar. Every day you get up say you gonna walk, you know. Every single day you get up say you gonna walk. And when me call youth, what day me go to the youth yard, you know? And you tell me say you get laid off long time, months. And you need tell me that, but the old woman sweet you, and the old woman sit there sweet you. That's why woman could have seen me on road and disrespect me. But it no go so.
All of them money there.
Alright.
A Jennifer money.
Jennifer.
And a fear money.
Yes.
Listen. And a Jennifer me love you know. And you me love you know. Them a sacrifice what me a make. I feel you. All them lie what me a go around and make. I feel you. And you me a do everything for.
Yeah, man. You don't tell me.
And the house we live in now. The whole built down board house. See there a concrete house we live in now. A Jennifer money do all of that.
Alright. So that you have to say, when they mess up me, I go and you have to let me, you have to make me know so people can't disrespect me. I mean, I have to hear say, my man there so with woman and so. I feel a way about you, know me, I go feel like you know me is, or me stay. Look how far away I come from, I hear say, a woman there up so, I go and pay things, I have to feel a way about it. But you should have just let me know and make me know.
Alright, babes. Me glad you're in it. Doing it. Give me out, come here.
Who that?
Share.
How are you, your son? So come now. No man, girl, this is a mistake. What do you? Has somebody already down?
Girl, my mother just kick off a while. I can't go down man there now.
Oh yeah, say to me what really happened. Tell me. Talk to me.
I just a while ago me a wipe out the house, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And this lady I come talk about say me a wipe the house too wet.
Yeah.
So I tell her say yo, me soon come out the house, you know. And then she talk about say me a disrespect her and she kick me out.
Why? Me tell about them parents how them quick fi kick you out.
And then she a come talk about say me disrespect her. When me disrespect her, I talk. Me can't talk to her. Me no big woman.
Step out and come over your friend. How you make your friend there for you?
About that now, me can't stay over here for 1-2 nights until me find one place for rent or something like that.
Well, your man can stay for 1-2 nights, but you know it thing said so. 2 nights good enough. You must can get somewhere in space at that time, you know. And me can help you look somewhere too.
Yeah man, thanks friend. I me know you wouldn't let me down still.
So you eat already?
No, me not eat it because Ricky did a cook round there.
Oh,
She come and run me out. So I didn't get to eat my food.
Oh, so you want we go grab sit in a shop then because I don't put neither, you know.
Yeah man.
I shop
Get
right
something
over
to
there,
eat.
say I have money.
Yeah,
What's
you have
the
a little
video now?
chum change.
I always have your money, not that rate with you.
Yeah girl.
Come on.
Alright.
One.
Come on. You know, say, I go up the road for go buy the little food or something a while ago and the shopkeeper said I owe him 2 bills. So I can't lend me 2 bills for go pay the shopkeeper.
Again? But Rebel, you come like you come here for drain me. You feel me a bank?
No, girl. Know yourself. You know, say when everything alright, I go pay you back.
Why you never buy what your money can't afford? Alright. I'll give you man car. You say 2 bills?
Yeah, man. Alright, thanks. Yeah.
Alright, man. How you doing now?
Yeah, follow up with something here. So, Mummy can't lend me 5 bills. Go buy something more. So.
5 bills. You supposed to have change and I'm not even sure only. Oh, you're lucky. Kind of go see a guy shop but change money. Come here, no say me I got that change.
Oh, thanks, man.
Shati, I you know wake early at time and if you could have wake now. What time now?
And even more.
See what time. After 9. Now we just awake. Oh, so I'm go wash my face.
Can't believe me. Six.
Hungry now. Come like when you eat I bet you wake up really hungry. I don't know why. No, sorry, but I make you attack you banana and cheese though.
Girl, me did hungry yesterday and I just eat some nights.
I eat so much. Say you never think about me. No man, let me tell you something, Rebel. See if you two we are go there. You have to can conserve, you have to can make sure say you think about me just like how me I think for you. Cause me buy now say two we can fi eat cause Easter. And you eat half so much. So me I go eat now right now. This not even 2 more eating in the night, you know. And I want big bun and cheese. Me buy more to know where bun and where you hold it. Where you eat, when you eat so much food, you let me get stomach. Me can't believe it. When you eat, where you go? I don't know if I in your head or in your food cause me don't know where you go. Cause you not grow and you just eat so much and that you eat half all of my snacks. No man, this I get too much. You need to do better.
No, jeez, girl, you not feel me so.
Me expect better from you. Let me check over there. Papa! Come here, girl. So good morning.
Man, you stop on the road, me I go do. How are you now?
Your man's sister were over my yard. The other day she come and me help her out, right? Cause her mother put her out. Me don't know what happened, but her mother put her out. So me pick her up as a friend. The little girl not have no conscience. Buy me big bun and cheese. When I look on the bun and cheese, it's bigger than she. Cause you say she little. Bun and cheese bigger than her, you know. And the girl eat up all of me bun and cheese this morning. Me I go say me I go grab bun and cheese. One little piece left. Me I go say I can't be hungry.
Say it off you whole it.
Me say, girl, me can't believe it's too hard. The bun and cheese is big. Me can't want big hunk of cheese. I want big bun. You see me, I know where me go wrong. Me go take her up. And I saw you know help people, they end up turn you over by your face. Cause imagine somebody help you and you now use your conscience none at all. No, so me can't manage it.
That bad man.
Me kind of have low tolerance when it come on to people there way there. No, sir.
Me no business with him, you know. I'm a sister-in-law, but me can't help him because how fear mother go and make sure say he take care of his daughter. So, all you do, you take him out to your place or you lock up your something them in your room.
Me didn't expect this, you know. Because she said she have her money, so I say, alright then, she can help fill a few gaps. I know me can't believe. No, I not like them something. That's why I like help people. Next time I see people want to help me, I go say, listen, I can't help you. Period. Me can't manage it. She have to go on. Because right now, John want to come there from when and John can't come. And you know me love my start out. And my head has kept me right now.
Well, here, me tell you what you do already. So, if you do what you're supposed to do, me I can go on your road still.
Alright, me I go down back. Come walk with your car, you know. Girl. Huh? I see this talk about, you know.
What me I know?
A bad news, but you must have where you way around him. You know, say nigga come here talk to a pay me rent though. He live with the woman, but guess what no? Man, the woman mash up. And the woman put him on wicked. So he has to fuck on stay. And you know me can't say no, because he might pay me rent.
Yeah.
So, you must can find somewhere go. You don't feel like you have somewhere can go different from yourself?
Yeah, me can find somewhere go, man. Of course me can find somewhere go.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, so situation I mean I have no control over it. It's sticky.
Yeah.
Me glad you understand still.
Yeah. And me thank you for everything still, because you did a feed me, which you never did have to do.
Which is right.
So, My thanks for all of that, so. I don't have a problem for leave still, you know.
Man, you're welcome, and you know some girl that go that they don't understand. You see, that's why I know say I'm a real friend, you know, man.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, then, take care.
Yeah, man, alright. Just call me here.
Yeah, man.
What?
No, say me that go check a while ago.
Yeah, what now?
You know, say, I move out of my mother's house though,
Mm-hmm.
and go live with one of my friends, but she has said her boyfriend a moving now, so me say me just like go move out and so, you know, give them their little space.
Well, you know how you go still. People are going to want them privacy, so you must have
Yeah.
to understand. So what you plan to do?
You know, say that me that come check if I do. If you not know me can stay till, you know, me find someone for myself.
Well, you know, say me that like to help you still. But when me there can't accommodate nobody, kind of have no privacy for nobody can live there with me. That's why sometimes me that love to come down and your mother can stay. But you know how your mother serious, she not like me and me can't take the drama. So me just stand on my yard. So me can't go help you right now. Enough time at different places me and Rika fi go. So all you have to do is if you can get one work and get one local place and rent.
Yeah, that's true. But you know, say me not have no skills like that already, so that I got hard for me get. And worse, me can't go back to my mother yard. So that I go rough.
You know have no local boyfriend who can put you up for the night or you stay because you say you don't want to go back to your mother yard.
Why, me no know still, but me figure it out. But anyways, later still, cause I want to hurry up before night come down. Alright. Alright. You see you again. Yeah, man.
Rebel,
Yeah, yeah.
you hurry up and bait, man. You don't know what's enough there. If mommy ever come kitchen, you have a problem for me, you know. Hurry up, man, I'm going to let him to bait, man.
Alright.
You know, mommy, son.
Alright. Roger!
Oh, go on. What happened now? Where you go head bag?
You know, say, I made my mother catch up though, and she run me out.
So why your mother run you out though?
Because I tell her, say, I want my own independence. Me I get big now, so I want to do my own thing. So, she decides that she run me out.
Alright then. Come on. Listen. You know something I have something to tell you though?
Yeah, there's something.
We dey for a long while now, right? You say you want to be independent. But I may have to go out there and do something and see if I can help you. And time very hard. We have a roof over our head, one little bed in there for sleep and yes. But you don't really have no skill where you can help yourself. So, you don't know, you have to try see if you can use what you have. Me taking care of you, that is not independent. You taking care of yourself, that is independent. So you just have to try, see if you can go out there and do something. You see me?
Alright, babes. I understand why you say you work hard and you go out there for try and everything. So, what you really want me to do?
Alright, now worry yourself. Come and carry somewhere where you can go be independent and make money. Alright, so this is where you come at night time and come make your money and be independent. So you can come out here all 10 o'clock, 11. You see me?
Alright, we start tomorrow.
Wagwan.
But there, you know.
You know, say, Ricky, I'm never do.
Yeah, me know, man.
A long time to see two owner run up and down. Wagwan.
Well, you know what I say? His mother don't like me, no. And how me hear she attack, she go and like say me I worse.
So why mother not like you though?
Well, me no know, and maybe I wear how me dress, me she talk about the piercing me have in and the short clothes and what me I wear.
But she know if you fight against, you know, if you're not young love, you know what I mean, you must know wine scene or you wine like in you. So we don't know where none of your business that. She have talk to you and see what you're all about. Because some of the time I know what you're wearing, you know, or when you're mind. You understand?
And she go and like me a prostitute, like me I worse. Another day, she daughter come to me, so she want a place to stay because the friend where she did stay with turn her out. A back row, me see her and sell front. And I walk and I beg people. Man, I'll beat her and deal with her certain from my way and her mother sit down
Who
there.
you at? Rebel?
Yes, for your niece, Rebel.
A long time I not going to fear yard for true, you know. I must check them. I have to check out and see what really are going. I first made them story there. Because she how much now?
About 17, 18.
Because me things that she look up in the round there now. I said things gone bad. I'll check about it. You sure it's a she?
Yes, your niece, Rebel.
Alright, yo, where you go?
You know, so run at me yard, me I go do.
Alright, come and drop her in the yard.
Alright.
Put it, slide us up. Yeah. Sister!
Oh, go on, come in now.
Oh, God, where are you there? Pass me a drive through and see me a come here and listen. You see?
Yeah, man, you're welcome anytime.
So I go on differently. What me never there?
You gone on the road, you know? The one little girl with him saying woman. Me not even like see how she dress. Me don't know what kind of dressing them there. Belly ring, nose stud, all kind of sitting. One little piece of short blouse up here so. Me not understand. And them the kind of woman they want, you need to talk to your nephew. Cause me not like the idea. Me no want them the kind of girl there in my house.
Well, you have to understand that woman and woman don't feel like that. Because she said there, mommy couldn't talk to you, put on tattoo, and you both feel nose too. The talk to the girl today, and I'm see her on the road when I drive through, and she tell me and show me some things, you know what I mean? But apart from that, where Rebel there? Because she tell me say Rebel not live with you again. Rebel there on the road, I do all sort of something. How I go on with that? I true that I lied, she tell.
You see Rebel? Rebel a one bad little girl. When me say bad, me mean bad and in. She not no manners. She no know nothing name respect the parents. So me have to run her out. You know say girl come talk to me like she and my mother. No, I know so you go. So make she go out there go face the consequences. She can tell me say she want be independent. Me not understand them young people. They don't think that's how independent go. You want to be independent, you go look work. And when me did that send her to school, all she did have to do is take her book and make she get some proper education so she can go to college and get where she forget. And then When she start work, she buy what she wants, so she independent. I come look at me. Me want independent and me this and me that and not talk to me any and you want to fling down my pants anything. No. She have to come out and you know something not play already. No pick me not talk to me anyhow. Me and them are no size.
Me I hear you, but you myself different from that though. I hear a child, you know, you bring her come here, and if someone throw her out on the road there, you go feel it. So you myself, I'm looking at this, you know, I don't want her on the road. If that's the truth, you have to go find a common ground and reach her because you're young, you don't know what's going on. So me go, me go all a beer now because I'm on the road, and then me go drive around and see me find the patch there. So yeah, anyway, cut me a cut, you know, because I need to go start with something. So you good though?
Yeah, man.
So they link you.
Alright.
Business.
Yo, Rebel. Oh, where are they, sir?
Uncle,
Come in my car, man. So we are do run on the road there, on the back road, Rebel.
Uncle, mommy a try control me. And me can't bother with that. Me a 18 and me a big girl. Alright now, me tell her say me want independent, me want do my own thing. So me come out. Well, she kicked me out, but a long time I did want to leave still. So she kicked me out. So me there I try find a way to live and
So
try
how was
fend
it
for
been
myself.
on the road? How was it been being independent?
It no nice, you know. It too nice. It no nice.
I go tell her something now. You see the same word where you talk, say you want independent. Independence is a powerful word. You see, everything in a life take time. Someone you listen keenly when I say to you, no Rebel. You see, if you're smart, you go back to your mother yard. Because independence not come so. You don't know whether you depend on a man to come check you on the corner. So you can't be independent. You know what I mean? You might feel say you earn your own thing in the rough and the tough. You better be a mother yard away at the right time. You find yourself one good look of work, you save money, put it up in one bank account, and take your time for do so. You understand me I say to you? I see something with Jamaica. Jamaica said they want independent and look up what they know in a Jamaica with crime and violence. It's because of the same argument there. Jamaica push out themselves too fast to independent. You understand? You there your mother yard. You help her, she help you with the chores and everything. Now you reach the age of you get couple years there to stay there and build up yourself to feel ready, really ready for the road. You push out yourself, you find yourself a nice good husband and you start life. But if I say you jump out, you go batter out here. Why you think that Jamaica is like how it is now? It's because Jamaica batter to survive. Because independence, where you have to get on the right time. When you can turn up with your 2 foot, then you're really independent. But as long as you have to depend and beg people, because you beg your man come check you now. And some people tell me say call them and beg them for even foreign. Everybody call and tell you beg. When you go to school already, so you're bright enough to know say you never left your mother yard yet. So what you do? Go back home to your mother. I talk to her, and my sister and my niece. What I say if you do?
Go back home.
Cause if I come back on the back road and catch a round there, the back road won't be no back road no more. Headline it a make. It go be front road. What are your things them there?
Them there, I want my boyfriend yard.
Come in the vehicle. I go, okay, I'm going to take a things them and jump back your mama yard. You beg your mama forgiveness and go back in, go stay until you're ready for independence. Alright?
Yes, uncle. But uncle, me not think she go forgive me because some things I'm said to her, you know.
No worry about what you said to her already. Talk to her and tell her apologize. As she push you out, she have to take you back in. You hear that? The ambulance a pass. A serious time now. Sister. Oh, go on. Come here. Come in. She or your daughter. Are you push her out and carry her come here? I don't want her on the road with you. I'm not asking for me see her, but you need to have her on your foot and she's reach your age to push out, not to the age, but when she mature enough. Not age wise, but you do look at work first. Go ahead, look at work, go ahead in class, get a good job, then you take a time. You're not ready for independence. You are rebel, you're just like Jamaica. Uno not ready for independence yet, right? What me say? Because uno a box and a beg. Uno a move like uno a all that. Right? Me not like the ball for no independent until you're ready. You see when you're ready, you're ready. You hear me?
Yes, uncle.
You feel love your ma and now your mama so your day shall long. Me no, you know, for back answer her. If I have a daughter, we try that stunt there. Police would have to lock me up. Me a chip her so. You understand? Me to drop her gun and take her up and turn her up and say, listen me, I don't want to trip you again, you know. You see, you must love your mother. How much month in her belly, Candy? Tell her. And 9 months. 9 months in her belly, I know you come out the road and tell you catch 18. Me hear say you tell her, say boy, you want independence. You can't spell independence. Spell independence. I-N what? You always say in. If you not spell in, you don't know no pendant. You think you're a woman? You're how much now?
18.
Until you are 25, no left fire. You hear me? This is your mother house, your Tanya. You go your local work, you save your money. You're not ready for independence yet. What me say again?
Not ready for independence.
You know something here, boy, you say, yo, you tell nobody to me your family? You tell nobody to me your family? Talk to me. So you make people look at me certain way, some look neat up on the roadside and do this and beg and one bag of this and one bag of that. You see your mother, she love you. But how you behave, you don't look at pitney as you start feather. You understand? As you start feather, you start going certain things. But listen to me. Say sorry to your mother.
Mommy, I'm really sorry for what I said and what
Listen now. When they parent and talk to the people and say, business! Me hear from 1 mile ago. 1 mile away me I hear that from. Tell the mama say sorry. Tell him loud. Let me hear you say sorry. Come tell him.
Mommy.
Open your mouth and say, Mommy, me sorry. Give me that.
Mommy, I'm very
No,
sorry.
give me. Me say, take it from down here, so. Make she know say really sorry. Say, Mommy, me sorry.
Mommy, I'm very sorry.
Alright, me can't hear that. That's one better. Candy? Me left her in that you don't want to do. Look like she well tired. You want to talk to her? Jennifer. Sister Jennifer. My sister. Me sorry to take over your place, my sister. But that little girl there, when she just born, me said that girl have far to go. I never know she was so short though, but she have far to go. Girl, stay your mother house. Talk to her and try. You look like you're tired though, because whole this and whole night in the on the road. We get some rest and then man and your mother talk. No talk to her tonight. My sister, family is very important. Don't make mistake about that. Family is important. So if you have family. Go on your bed,
Tomorrow, on reason like a family, right? Tomorrow, Mr. Woman.
Morning.
Morning.
You know, so I just come to come tell you thanks for let me back in your house last night, cause I don't know what would I do if me did stood up on the streets.
Rebel, you see disrespect to parents? I no good something. Yeah, my daughter? Yes, me forgive you. But you see, if you did listen to me, you see, whatever reach you out the road, boy, you want independent, it couldn't reach you. And also independence go. People don't get independence by the way you think. You must listen to the older and the elder person them. Them already been through that. A matter of fact, now left out myself, we have already been through a lot of stuff. So we know what good, bad, from the indifferent. You see, if you did listen to me, all what you go through, you wouldn't go through it. Me is your mother. Me have experience at the street. Me been there and done that. Me know about the good out there so and the bad. And a little something may go through to make you reach this age. So when me talk to you, you need to understand and listen. If you don't listen, you cannot learn. Me know you're not deaf, so you hear me. But you see the listening part is more important too. Because when you listen, you have to learn. But you see you don't listen to me, that's why you feel the penalty out there. Oh, that's so not pretty. Oh, that's so not nice. And parents don't like when time you know reach certain age, you know, feel so no bigger than them and can contact to them and style them. You understand? Yes, why you never listen to me? Who can't hear must feel. You're lucky some me take you in back. I said me never take you in back. Feel your neck, me no know where to go with a butcher or whatever. But no worry yourself. I forgive you. And yes, me take you in back. You know why? Because me and your mother, I'm more than likely to say something bad happen up there so to your worse and where you go through already. Me know that I love you. And I always be here for you. But you see the independent thing, it don't come easy. You want to be an independent person, you have to have knowledge, wisdom, and understanding and work hard the way you want in a real life to achieve your goal. You understand? Standard procedure. Straight. You have to be on one level where it's a different level. No, any level. It's an extraordinary level for you be independent in a real life. So you have everything the way you want. Anything where you need. And you find you have it, that means independent. You don't have nothing. You understand? We not have nothing. That means we not independent. You understand? So to gain independence in our life, you have to work for what you want. Not get hard. Through thick and thin, you have to make up your mind and go there for it. You understand? Come here, my baby. Me love you. Don't worry yourself. God is in the midst of everything and He go help you. Just hold up your head high and have some ambition in Yaso. In Yaso. And keep your hand and your heart clean and see how far you reach and put God first before everything. One inside, go be in and fresh up. I left one body wash on top of the you know, the right side of the dresser, on the right hand side. Take it up, use it and bathe. Because I know your favorite fragrance that. Yes. So take it and have a nice little shower and get something to eat. Don't worry yourself, it's still there for you. But sometimes you have to pay if you learn before you understand what people are talking about. One inside. Hey sis.
Hi, how are you?
You know me good. Me more than good right now because the program when they tell about, me get through with it. Yes, the farm work. Me get through with the farm work. So me soon leave. Me need you to look about your ID because when me a send money come to Western Union or MoneyGram, anyone you can collect it through, me need you to collect it for me because me trust you. Me don't really want to trust anybody because Ricky no have no ID.
Okay.
Someone you collect it for me, you hear?
Yes, man, no problem.
So you can give it to Ricky
Yes.
because Ricky no have no ID. And Rebel now no ID yet neither. So when me send it to you, please may I ask if you give it to them. And make sure you tell Ricky if you take care of his smaller sister that you understand that your niece.
Okay. Yeah.
Me know say you know your niece already.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Rebel. And you little and bad to you see. So anytime me send the money come give you, please make sure say you give it to Ricky and tell Ricky what me say. Take care of his sister. And nobody squander out the money.
Okay.
Girl, me glad me get you with the farm work program. Lord of mercy.
For your man.
Thank you very much. So you're not gonna miss me?
Of course I don't miss you. We must miss your man.
You're my favorite sister, you know. So me have to, what? You know, I'm glad you know, because me have to care about something for you too.
Of course.
So, then soon call me for do interview.
Nice.
Yes.
Good for you.
Yeah, man, few weeks time from this, me gone.
Nice.
From me born, me never go on plane yet. You know, me glad. Me glad settle, me glad, but almost boss. All right, my sister. Take care, you hear?
Take care. You too.
All right, love you. Yes, love you, darling.
All
I
right.
alone, me can count on. Me not call nobody else. Uncle you. All right. Boy! Yes! Thank you, Jesus. I get you finally. Rebel!
Yes,
Ricky and Rebel, come here! Come here! Thank you, Father God.
How are you so
This
happy?
day is a blessed day. Couldn't be better. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Ricky, Rebel, Master, me get you figure up on the program. The farm work program. Me soon gone.
What is a farm work program?
Me I go pick apple knife farm.
Money the penny?
Of course, you could have asked that. Me a go away. Me soon gone. So me a make sure tell you no. So me a go away and no need to take care of the place. And you as Rebel bigger brother, please me a ask you. Take care of her. Make sure say she not hungry. And she help and clean up the place. You understand? Because you know say she walk out already. Rebel. You know your style that you need to listen to your bigger brother. You understand? Please me the beg you. Do not let nobody call me and tell me say uno de this and uno de that. I no beg nobody, no go on nobody yard. If you no hungry, keep it to yourself. Me I go send money come to me other sister. You understand? So she collect money and come give you because you don't have no ID and you don't really forget ID yet neither. Okay. So, you know happy for me, you know? Because you know say all the sufferation life you know done. Because anything you want, no me I go can buy it for you know. Because me I go can afford it. Me I go work, you know.
So, mommy, you can buy my iPhone 13 for me when I go over there.
So that alone you want?
Yes, mommy.
Me love you dearly, my daughter. But if me go away in the name of Jesus and come back safe, and your bigger brother or anybody in the community tell me say you're bad like a yas and they do things where you're not supposed to do, I give you 13 dick about your iPhone 13. So Ricky, how me not hear you say nothing? You're not happy for me?
Me happy for you. But why you go foreign go work, pick apple, make money, then jagger, collect out of it. It's sticky. Me no want nothing, you know.
So Ricky, why you have to bring up Jagger name in this? Me not talk about Jagger. This no concern Jagger. This is between me and you and Rebel. Alright. My favorites. No know say me love you no bad. No worry no self. And the best life you go get now. Because now me I go have it if you can support you. Anyway, Rebel, go in the kitchen go wash up your dirty plate then. Go on.
Alright, mommy.
I'll relax.
No. Ricky, go and go rake up the yard. Me I go out of the shop then.
Jagger can rake that.
Stop talking about Jagger now. Me tell you this Jagger name, Jagger this, Jagger that. Me I go out on the road there now. When me come back, me need to see you rake up the yard. A matter of fact, get up right now. Get up before me. Get up.
So Jagger if you just come here and eat and sleep.
You talk too much. You're no girl. You don't see Rebel get up and gone. And most of the woman do the talking. Go on out. Go and go rake up the yard, man. Too lazy. Everything a Jagger. So Jagger depends on your
Right in your room, me and rake you go.
One, go rake up the yard. You know, no manners. Now go on the road, you know. glad me come back. But work a kill me over there. You know me have to work this on serious money, you know, cause me like when you look good. You understand? And me book me flight about 10 times and cancel it because me want to make sure say me have money to take care of you. So me come back now to Jamaica. May you come now if you come live some life. Better life. You understand? Yeah, so anything where you want, just ask me for it. I make your whole heap of nice clothes for you. You know, say you're hot man already, you know, you don't know, say, I'm me and you are do it. Me glad to see you. You still have that shirt when me did buy?
Yeah, man.
Me wonder how the money when me send last come give you take so long to collect it. You know, so when me send money come give you, the same time when you collect it, me you know, can me get it from my phone. Me know say you receive it. So why you take so much days to go collect it?
Me did go to work the day there and me work and it time run out for me, so me I just left it to the next day. Next day come now, different things come up now. Whole heap of work now. Whole heap of different things. So me not get the time to go collect it. So
I know nothing, man. Now me see you come receive me at airport, God Almighty, me couldn't wait to come off a plane. Me can't wait for the plane land. You know me glad to see you. Me couldn't wait to come here. Because me see them advertise one something about jungle. Me want to go. So you say, babes, me ain't got jungle.
yeah, man.
Alright. So your suit done in the suitcase and everything already. Yes, I know say a large, you know me carry all of things for you. Everything up.
You didn't get the shows to me.
Of course, you could have asked that. Any money we may have for you. When you see me left from Jamaica and go overseas, I you me go work for me, no work for nobody else. Do you me love you? True, you don't know. Me love you bad, man. Me love you bad. You are the only man who me love and you are the only man me have in my life right now.
Yeah, man. Welcome back again.
Boy. See, you see the sun hot? That's the reason why I'm not wearing no makeup. I mean, no my face I go get wet. That's the reason why I'm not wearing it. Come on.
Face. Yes, boy. Yo, look boy, yo. I'm gonna take care for going. Eh? I'm gonna take care for going. We're going to be 2 more days. You want 2 more days? Yeah, man. Alright.
Come here. I want to surprise my daughter. So you must know how you're going to deal with that. You stay out here so you go inside go call her.
Alright, babes.
Alright. Lucky door.
Rebel!
Yeah.
Rebel!
Yeah.
Come here. Alright.
Yeah, man, me alright.
Sure.
Yeah.
Where they at?
Me just a wash out then. Look at something here with it here.
Oh. No, a surprise here.
Surprise.
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised that.
Come here.
You know how long me not see you?
You're shocked. Me can't see saying I'm shocked. Me just come but me did want to surprise you. Where Ricky?
Ricky gone for the road, you know.
Hey.
But anyways, me miss you still.
You don't know if he soon come back. Me miss you too.
Me don't know if he soon come back, but
Alright, don't worry yourself. Me care only for things for you.
yes, mommy.
And for your brother too. Yeah. Me can't wait to see him. Call him, me surprise him. Me surprise him big time too, you know, him I go vex, but me don't care. And anytime me fly, me don't like tell people. You say hi to your stepfather when you come meet her?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. So me going to my room here.
Alright, mom.
Me soon talk to you, man.
Yeah.
Like how we get the money now. How we go now? We can go up there now.
Alright, babes. Yo, babes, a 3 million this, you know. It's a $3 million. Right now, me don't even want to take no taxi. Me don't rent a car and come back for you. So me stay right there, now. Now we'll get a car and come back.
Alright.
Alright.
Man, I hear that man. Yo, we gotta drive now.
Come on.
Good evening, mama. You know, man.
Look like something wrong with the radiator there, no, babes. I don't know. The car overheat.
Hmm.
Hold on. I'll check out this. Hold on.
Oh, you said you care before.
The radiator, man. You look like the car overheat. You don't know what a coolant. Plant here.
So, mama, everything good?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm just wondering why it's taking so long to fix that radiator.
Yo, careful, guys. Careful.
Why my neck feel like this? I wish part me there. Where you so?
Peter C headquarters of them.
Jesus. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, my skin has scratched me. Which way you go? I say you go?
Yeah.
So, which direction the police station there? Where police station? Me need to go to the police station right now. Where? So? Alright, so how far me have to go from the corner there? How far the police station there from here, so?
Yeah, we take a taxi.
Oh. But me not have no fear, so me go and walk and ask people
Yeah, man,
to show me.
Yeah, you can ask.
Or me boom and drive. Thanks, here. Thank you. Thanks.
Have a great day.
Me not have no phone, so I take your number, but hopefully we book up again here. Thank you very much.
Babe, I have something to tell you. Come here. I have something to tell you. Come here. I know I said I want to get down here a break.
So where we are going?
I want to go. I want to play. This one go on far, far out place. So. It's very big. Alright?
How would that?
Jermaine.
How would which Jermaine?
Jermaine from what you heard, man. I something me get to drop off for you. I something me get to left your stuff for you.
Yes, me know Jermaine. Come.
Alright, don't move. Don't move. Yo, don't move. Go on over this. Jennifer. Yo, just stop it nice. Stop it nice. You're under arrest for the attempted murder of Miss Jennifer.
Yo, bro. Yo. I'm by the beach park. I'm by the beach park. Alright. I'm gonna go around the beach. I'm going around the beach side. Yo, hurry up, brother, cause me not feel good.
Alton Garden?
Where you know me from?
Yo, don't move, Don't move. And if you move me, I'm gonna shoot you in a public, don't move. You're under arrest.
What is so?
It's fine.
Alton Garden, you're under arrest. Anything you do or say can and will be used against you in the court of law. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be assigned to you.
Thank you for tuning in to Jammy Hood TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and these are our news and reviews. Christopher Smith, otherwise known as Jagga, and his accomplice are now in police custody for the attempted murder of Jennifer, his lover. St. John's Road rocked by 2 murders. It was reported to our news crew that Jennifer, who was taking care of Jagga financially, was encouraged by him to purchase a piece of land. However, After receiving a large sum of money to make the purchase, Jennifer was advised by Christopher, who was traveling along with his accomplice that he picked up later down the road, that his car had mechanical issues. He later stopped on the side of the road where Jagger and his accomplice attempted to strangle Jennifer. Both men were apprehended and is booked to appear before the Savannah magistrate. I am Tracy and Blair. Thank you for tuning in to Jamiehood TV.
Here.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
May I have a seat?
Yeah, you can sit on the bed. No problem.
Thank you. Okay, Miss Morgan. I received information from Detective James down by the station. However, I need more details from you. So can you give me information on what exactly happened? All right?
Yes, miss.
So you can begin.
Okay. I find this young boy.
Okay.
Miss, when I say young boy, I know when you're laughing, although me old, you know. But a young boy, me like.
I understand.
Me fall in love with him. And anything he asks me for, me always give it to him.
Okay, so how old is he?
22. Because him and my son used to go the same school.
The fact that your son attended the same school with him, do you think you can get proper information? Because if they were in the same school, then your son would have more credible information on his name and his age. Maybe.
Yes.
So is it possible you ask your son?
Them did in the same class, so me ask him, he's supposed to know name everything about him.
Yes, mommy.
You can come here, please. We need to talk to you. Him not up here. Just come here. Me want to talk to you. All right.
Have you ever had an argument with him before this happened?
No, you know. You know, say him ask me for some money. Say he want buy a piece of land. Because he want build one hardware. So me no agree to give him the money. So me left go with him at the bank and take out $3 million. Okay. So when me come back now, me plan with him to make him show me which part of the land there. And me way going, me see him friend in a big road, they fan him down. When he reach exactly where his friend there in a road, him stop. So him take up him friend. Him friend come in at the vehicle. So we start drive again.
And do you know the name of his friend?
Oh, me hear me call him again. You know say, I don't remember the name.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
Continue.
But when him take up him friend, him start drive again. And him way. Me hear him say to me, say, something wrong with the radiator in the vehicle. So him stop and come out of the vehicle while his friend is behind me, behind my seat. Him stop and come out of the vehicle and say, "I fix the radiator." So him friend now put the rope around my neck and start squeeze my neck. And from that time they were crazy until now, all now my neck feels sore.
I can see that.
Yes, but I'm not really going on that. I just rub some little ointment on you and see if you that go down. You understand? Yes, but the bruise never come up same time.
Okay, so please don't touch it in case we have any evidence on it.
Yeah, I'm not touch it. I'm not touch it too hard because it hurt me. Alright. As me are saying, come out of the vehicle, say I fix radiator. Wish that was a lie. Then squeeze me neck, so me did knock out, you know. So them believe say me dead.
From which direction was the friend?
The friend did remember say me tell us the friend come in a vehicle, you know, but he did sit down behind my seat.
Oh,
Me
so
in
he
the
was
front.
behind you.
Yes, me in the front of the vehicle with my man.
Okay.
The man when me did think of mine. So anyway, after the increase me neck now, me no know what else happened. You understand? After me find myself in a one bush, all because I want farmer. If I never the farmer, maybe mother end up dead. Me never know say me in a bush. Because of the farmer make me know. Because the farmer come and me no know what he do to me. But I know say me wake up and see this man stand up over me so they touch me.
So,
and me ask him to show me the main road. When me go up on the main road now, as so comes me find the station, me ask him which direction to go to police station. So as so comes me did go down there and tell the police them.
And on what main road did he direct you to?
It's a true me not know that place at all, but it look like that road they look like when you go Sheffield or Namprel Road. Out Panama, because me don't know them place there. Just ask the man to show me main road. Me not really know where they call this up. Come in.
I Jaga hungry right this sir. Jaga. Tell a long time. Officer, what go on sir?
Ask your mother.
I Jaga. You shoot the boy. Whom care when he said chain and we make Jaga around the neck in the bedroom. Yeah, what so? Levy young boy.
Ricky. I know that me call you for answer.
Where come you ask me what?
Ricky, sit down right there, son. Ricky, the reason why I call you is because I want Jaga right name. Right now in lock up. Yes.
Jaga, right name.
Mm-hmm,
So mommy, you know ask the money right name before you take him up.
You give me one name, but me just want to make certain if I it or not. Just tell me one name.
Why name when you?
The told me the nice name class. Just tell me your name to see police are wait for me.
Officer, my mother kinda see that right now. But in name.
Okay, thank you very much.
Can't believe it. Me come here and see chain there, so what happened?
Ricky. Boy, I feel away. I feel so embarrassed to tell her because I did a warn about him. But me never listen when you say. Because if me did listen, this would not happen to me. Him and his friend plan up to kill me. All because of money. Because he tell me about piece of land when he want, and me decide to me I go buy the land for him.
Okay. You are going to buy a piece of land for your piece of boy. A boy will bully me at school, me I want about and your poor son. We want a bicycle. You know buy me. Eh? Me have to flash out 2 tin mackerel. Eh? While he might eat fish. And he might eat lobster. I mean their yard I eat for white people food. Chicken back when they refuse over foreign. I send come to Jamaica come give we. You mommy? Really? I see.
I understand. But don't worry yourself, me make up your back with you. Me will give you anything when you want to eat, but me just did call you to get the name.
Me not bother hungry again. Me not bother want nothing. Me woman already give me stew peas already. Me alright with that.
You find another woman?
And she same one me there with. I tell you, me know her first name, me know her middle name, me know her last name because rule number 1, the father say anybody when me are there with me must know them name.
A tricky boy trick me. Because me did fall in love with him so much.
But if you go fall in love with an old man pantic, at least he not gonna left you. Him not gonna left you, he not gonna run, he can't run. You're gonna take up this big old chunk boy.
Okay, I'm sorry, but I do not mean to interrupt. However, I'd like to get this investigation over and done with. So, when I'm through, you guys can continue with your family. You can continue to resolve your family dispute, alright? Is that okay?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Now, if I have any more issues, I will surely call you to come back to the station or if I need any more information, alright?
Okay.
Now, I will provide you with my number. I'm also going to ask you for your number so I can call you for any discrepancies, okay?
No problem.
Alright, thank you very much. May I have your number, please?
222
That's 222
81 04.
Okay, can you repeat that number?
222 8104.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm going to provide you with mine also, alright?
Mhm.
I'm going to give you my card.
Okay.
My card.
Thank you.
Feel free to use that number, okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you very much. I'm taking the evidence along with my statements down to the station, alrighty?
Okay.
Have a blessed day.
You too.
So Rebel, you know, come look for you.
Rebel on our room.
When she come back?
Uno uncle see her on road, I sell out our tuck shop. So he bring her back.
Oh, if I say cook food, then no.
Cook food. She had no business.
Why, why? I expect that from Rebel still. I want something like she got. I don't know about this.
Ricky, you are Rebel biggest brother. What Rebel tell me said before she go? Where she want be?
She want to be a roadrunner.
Roadrunner? You're too lie. She said she want to be independent.
Why, mom, you know, we thank God say, nothing happened to you that bad, I just look a bruise. That's why in life, you see, you have to accept anything what me say, you know. Look at my woman, although she bore up, she never tried to strangle me yet. That's why I love her so. You have to take on somebody will respect you enough, like somebody more older than me, and then they will accept you and say, yes, a good man for you, but one say I'm a good man for you. You people then see better, you know. You know, say, what you see, not really good for you. Who the closer to you can tell you, say, yeah, that person is good for you. Sometimes you listen, but sometimes you can wrong.
Alright, Ricky, alright. No matter with the lecturing, I don't want you lecture me right now. I understand and I know say me wrong, this don't happen already. Just figure about it. You understand what I say? Make the police deal with the rest, man. Can't bother. A long time you don't see your sister, never call her.
That's true.
Rebel! Come here.
She don't know me too panty on me.
Stop talking about your sister panty them. Why you want sister panty? Watch your woman panty, man. Come here.
Ricky.
Come on, Rebel. You have to put her weight, though. I want to put her pregnant.
You chat too much phone sometimes.
Man, why you look at me? Just ask the simple
Nobody
question.
start no argument again, man. Come man, that time we live good, man. That be foolishness. True. Figure out about them or something. You gone already.
Mommy, I can't go and come and go out of it. I want to have it. Rebel, take care of mommy, yeah?
Hey, man.
And also make sure you wash your panties them properly. Man, you know there.
Yeah, no problem. No
Chop.
problem. Don't listen to him. Go in your room.
Alright, move.
Uncle. You remember the last time you wanted about the young youth and mother take up the Jagger? Teeth all, if you ever see him bite up her neck, changa her neck. You don't know, uncle, you have to come look. Like a chain, him man have round his neck and them in a bed. You know them chain up business, them, you don't know. I said Jagger try to kill her. He might buy land with Jagger and Jagger want to kill her or something. The man his friend. Yes, uncle. She been in the house, but she don't know say me out up on the phone. I go look for me woman friend. Me yet then get locked up. I don't know, uncle, but you want to know say if me ever find them first. Yeah, man, all right, uncle. Not till I tell me call you, know. Alright.
Night news, what one?
Night, uncle.
Where mother there?
She in her room.
Alright.
How that?
Oh, your brother.
Alright, just pull the door and come in.
What go on, sister?
There, man.
What me say I go on? Nobody hide on it, man. Cause somebody done tell me already. Let me run money right on the whole place. As it happen, police call me and tell me. I saw me link them to. Know yourself. What me I say though? If your son talk to you about this young boy business, me say other people want you. But you just want stuck in the young people lifestyle. You want stay like them, you want dress like them and act like them. This is when you grow up, you grow up. You understand? You have to know. I'm not saying what happened to you is because the person them young. It's not because I'm young. It's just because of the country I run. If you all in could have done the same thing to you. But you have to know who you choose. You go buy land. To me here, right? If you go buy land, transfer money to landowner and ensure you buy land. Put a name on it. But if you have raw cash, it's like you attempt, you attract certain things. You understand? But differently, you have a son. You have to buy a piece of land for your son. But you plan to buy land for man. And why now you saw the first time you walk a foreign, you know, carry the money come and look business for your pitney. And man, you have a business for.
My brother, I understand what you're saying. I'm not saying wrong. You're right. But you know what trick me though? And I end up falling in love with him. My son talk to me, yes. But I never business why I say to me, you know. Because right now, to me, when he talk to me, I tell them, say, them can't tell me how to run my life. Me choose who I want to choose. But I'm sorry. And I don't know nothing already,
trick you.
Right now, I learn, you know.
Him trick you because you're chicken.
You know, man.
You understand? Yeah. But you done gone bad already. So what them say go on with the boy them now? Cause to me you attempt to murder and look at your neck. It's a good thing when you're small. The bigger sister them used to choke you all the while. So you could have withstand the choke there. And the hard life you grow up in making us soft.
Sure.
So me I say no. What they say go on with them though?
The police them take some statement. Them take all the clothes them from when they did have on. Them gone with it, them say, them will call me and give me one court date.
So me I say different from that though, I'm glad say, you're not dead. You're still there.
Thanks.
But hope this will be a lesson to you. Lesson. Come in here, you call the next sister them and I show up on them. Why? You have the youngest boy, you have a young hot boy and this and that. The old man them there with that. Look on them now, them a laugh for you.
So I think the boy did love me for true. That's why I take out
you know
my
love?
all and give it.
You know love?
No.
Love don't cost a thing. Love not cost nothing. That me tell about love. Money can't buy love. Love can't buy money. Either way. Life is more precious. There's love out there, but you have to read through the fine print.
So me can't take money and buy love?
No. I wish you could take money and buy. You know much of my money? Me take on the young girl. The last time me have a little young girl named Kira. The first 10,000 I give me hide me out. Because I use the money. That me I tell you, money can't buy love. So anyway, I have cut over on the road. You can check this and say, alright. See, as long as the boy them behind bar, if them a friend, them are no friend and company want come back on harm you.
No.
Because if you're eyewitness, you know, you have to pay your guard, you know. Anyway, no for call me.
I want to look ends with the pan with a little catty. And them shout me. I have to go and check you. So I go back and fix that business there. Near it all.
Alright.
So Nancy, where you going with?
Hey, uncle.
Listen, you are going with the mother.
Yeah, I'm here.
You could have to you too. It's a good thing I take you off of the road the right time. Because there's some crazy people out here doing crazy stuff for many different reasons. So, now that you learn your lesson, your mother learn her lesson, I hope that be a blessing to you. Open up on the eye. Now, for your brother now need to come back and yard. Because they never can tell. We don't need to stick together now in these trying times. 200 days woman, we don't need a man, yeah. So he needs to come back home. So you call him on the phone and tell him, say, me say he needs to come back and yard. Right? Yeah. And anything I go on, we need to be on alert and ready. What me say? Alright. So where you plan to do? You go back to school or you go work? Where you go do?
I go back to school.
Your mother wants to go back to school?
Yeah.
This your time, yeah. Hope you not farm no food. Get the right thing you get. And remember, don't leave the nest until the right time. Alright?
Yes, uncle.
Alright, we're going on the road.
Alright, uncle. Yeah.
That's really lucky, you know.
Babes, go get something to drink. Alright, though. You know watch the news? Why me I tell her? Yesterday when I see me go check my sister, nearly kill her. Last time I come in exhausted, I go sleep, I never think about it, but I start tell you now. Yeah man, they nearly kill her. They do look a young boy, and the young boy tell her to buy land. And she said, yes, she go buy land. And when she draw the money, I can't go buy land. He set her up and nearly kill her. But them strangle her but they never kill her. So when she wake up out of the knock out and wake up back, then get locked up and now do. So that then go sentence them or whatever. Then go get attempted murder, charge and stuff. Rough. I just come to mind a while ago. But through last night when I come in, I kind of tired, I didn't still smart. But I just tell you now. So when we have time with you, we have cherish the moment, you know what I mean? Because life crazy. Because you could have gone. So careful, you have to choose the person then. But I trust you though. Because you there with me for a long while and you there with me because of money. Anything you want, ask me for it. Because anything I feel me, I feel. Right? So me I depend upon you for happiness and you can depend upon me for loyalty.
Yeah, man, you don't have to worry about that.
Mm.
You know, say, I love you, and I know say you love me. And because of you, now me independent, me not have to ask mother for anything. And you give me anything I want, like anything you spoil me. So, me not have to think about them something there, but I'm really sorry to hear about your sister.
The boy when she fall in love with, she was twice his age. I know that I'm a little bit older than you. Not a lot, but a little. But it made me ask though, am I your sugar zazi?
No, babe, you're my sugar, but not sugar daddy. You could even be 100. I love you because you do everything for me, and I really appreciate that.
Babes, you know I know who me just say a while ago. Now two man them me think they are jail way, but then say nearly kill their mother.
I lie.
Nah man, of them missy man. Hold on, them a come.
Yo, police you talk up on the phone, boy.
No, so me I call police for one sir.
Hey, little boy. Who you chat up on the phone?
A hard year me call me order some material.
So always the see way you're there on your phone as a see way. When you pass it a while ago, you never there on the phone. As a pass way, you take out phone like
Okay,
a call
sir, so
me.
you said you need a ton of block, a ton of steel, 50 cement, and some gravel. Okay, so you need some nails?
Mama, me no want no nail, mama. Yo, hold this. Hey, boy, you no see we, you know. You hear that?
Even know no.
What you mean you know? You see we on, you watching news?
No.
Yo, lift up.
You don't trust me now, brother. A
Come
police, yo, you don't trust the boy there, you know you. Yo. Brother, you can't believe say you not choke you man good, brother. Are you back with the nights right now, you know?
So you never did that too. So you behave, sir. I never me alone did it. Remember say they did that too, you know. You did it. So no bother with it, brother. Me understand say we never choke her good, but you did it. So no bother with it.
So what you intend to do?
What
Because we done in this already, you know. What you intend to do?
What me intend to do? You are going now. This time you do the killing. You choke her. Yeah? Just come on and stop it.
Brother, you talk about money, you get money, so what am my money, you know?
Are we gonna stay here and chat, or we are gonna get the job done?
Yo.
Because me in a bag of chatting.
Yo, come on.
Today is definitely not a good day because Jagger has escaped. Yeah, we're sorry to inform you that he has escaped. He, along with his accomplice, has escaped. But we're doing our utmost best to make sure we have him back in custody. I am not the lead detective on the case, but I am one of the person who is going to ensure that he's back behind bars.
But officer, when you tell me so no have him and I need control, that is no control. So me need to know what happen now. Suppose thing come on me yard now if you can't do me something.
That is why we're going to put you in protective custody. Where is your son and daughter?
My daughter run at the back And my son, he must be there in woman yard.
Alright, so we're going to need all of you to come together and we're going to put you in protective custody.
Officer, me not go nowhere. I hear some me born, I hear some me live, and nobody can make me left and right. So I hear some me and stay.
Alright, here's what we're going to do then. We're going to get a police to stand guard with you and your family.
Alright then.
Alright, we'll need to get a picture of your son, so go and get it. Alright, so just send it to my phone. Alright, so make sure you stay here with him, and if in case of anything, call me. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, yeah man.
Yo, you know see inform woman inform brother.
Yo, what? We have to change the plan, brother. Yo, what? We are hold on for Ricky.
Who name Ricky?
His son.
Which one we can find?
We call him and tell him say, yo, she just tell the police him say, yo, nothing like that. I just fake him up. You understand?
Which part we can find him?
Me know part in girlfriend. He have one girlfriend in someone going both the place, brother. We have to just hunt him down, brother.
Yo, come on.
Good evening. Good evening. Mommy. You know, so one of my friends just called me a while ago and saying see two man them where the traffic killer saying see them a walk down the road.
Me hear already. You see the lady we see out there, sir? She a police. And she a guard me.
Oh.
Me not scared.
Oh, so now that me know, cause me didn't wonder who you know, but now that me know everything we alright then because me didn't wonder how this is going to because me don't want them go try nothing or anything. Man, was everything alright. Alright, mommy. Just the wine mostly, but like how you know, you can't go back the door.
You don't have to worry, man. We alright.
Alright, mommy.
Yeah.
And when me not ready, 1, 2 hours me not hear from you.
You know what, say, my uncle takes regular do what enough to do. And she come back, man. She don't
Oh,
go.
that good. Say come back for good now.
Yeah, man, I go down, I go see them one night. Mother, they call me and I go check up. See bruises down in there, because man nearly kill him.
You know, see, it's true, because one time, somebody me tell her, say she come to me, say want to stay over for me yard, and me I tell him, say, he can't stay because no space no there.
No, but you could have true still. You know, in time is a man that walk up and down naked.
Right, me I tell her. But me glad for you saying come back still.
Right.
You can go buy chicken, and buy curry, and buy one Maggi potatoes.
So bad.
And get piece of pepper.
Hello ma'am, good evening.
Good evening.
You know Ricky?
Yes, I'm boyfriend.
Yeah, which part him there?
I went to know. I went to.
No man, calm down. Him not do nothing, I just need to talk to him. Which part him there?
Oh, you know, saying just left going down my shop.
Alright then, alright, thank you. Hello sir. Yeah man. Ricky, right?
Yes sir.
Yeah man.
Yo, this get sticky now, you know. Yo, it get sticky, brother. We have to just run in on them tonight, brother.
We're gonna need you to come on your mother yard right now.
What happened around there?
No man, nothing happen man. I just Jagger and him friend escape. So no man, you don't have to worry about nothing. They escape, but we want you to come on your yard so we can put you and your mother in a protective custody.
When? No.
Yeah man, right now man.
I mean woman send me.
No man, she can't stay. She alright, come.
Christopher Smith, aka Jagger, and his accomplice has escaped from the Negro police station. Both men are considered armed and dangerous. Please contact the nearest police station if you see or if you know of the whereabouts of these two men. In other news, accidents are on a rise in our nation. So we are recommending and encouraging, we implore that you take your time on the roads. Thanks for tuning in to Jamaican Hood TV. I am Tracy and Blair. Good evening.
Yeah, you know, say, them people in the, you know where I left. Alright, so different from that now. The hotel up the road, so we'll just take the time go up there. You know what I mean? And then tomorrow we'll go up and down different place. You alright? You look so concerned now. What?
You remember you tell me about your sister this evening and what happened?
Mm-hmm.
You tell me that the youth them get
Then they lock up. Then get lock up, man. Them good, man.
babe, me just see breaking news a while ago
Mm-hmm.
and them escape from prison.
When they escape?
Me not sure, but the lady said breaking news they escape from prison and
Alright. Yeah, what go on, Rebel?
Me there no uncle.
What me say the man them escape?
Yeah, that one, yes. You know, say, me dey here though, me dey in a bathroom but for go bed for go out, but one police lady dey here watch you and a guard way and everything.
I way up in line, me and my girlfriend there, you know, with up on vacation and now because, you know, sure some time, you know what I mean? Because love need a break, you know, from down the hustle down the side there. And she tell me say she see it on the news. You know what I mean? Say the youth them get where. By tomorrow me try reach back down there. Come here try call Ricky phone and I try call my sister phone and I not get none of them. How I'm to their phone?
No, but Ricky supposed to be about the place there and mommy asleep.
Tomorrow me come down. Alright. Alright, that's a word, man. Tell them somebody a call. Make she go and sleep. She could have gone rest with you. Alright, that's a word. Tell her in the morning then. Don't just be safe, you know. Be vigilant, you know. The sleep with one eye open. Right? Alright.
everything good.
Yeah, man, then down there, there's a police down there with them, so them alright. Police stay asleep at house with them. So anybody come, they're safe. Can go up at hotel and all the vibes.
Alright.
Come on, RC, you know.
Yo, you say you quite one good spot, you know.
John, can't be said. You don't say you make me go to jail.
How?
Mean how?
How me make you go to jail?
Then you tell the police I'm with the brother.
How?
I mean how? Then you tell the police I'm with
Brother, me not tell no police nothing, you.
Brother, I mean, are you call me brother? Are you alone to tell me?
Brother, me not tell you the truth, no, brother. That's my past, brother. Right now, brother, we get to brother. I scan them now, we deal with that.
Police, open up. Open up.
Good night.
Yes, good night. Have you seen your boyfriend?
The last time I see him, I look for him in prison.
I am here to inform you that he has escaped and he's on the run with him and his crony. So I just want you to know that if you see him and put him up, that's aiding and abetting. And you're liable to get jail time for that. Alright? So if you see him, make sure you just call the nearest police station.
Yes, officer.
Alright?
Yes.
Alright.
Yo, stay right there, so. I'm chatting.
What to them police, man? They don't hear say no there. Sure. Officer!
Yo, babe.
You glad she's here? What you carrying me here for? Police them just coming up. And I ask you, you know, and they say, me make you stay here or me know say you're there. They might go lock me up too and I can't take you lock up.
Babe, just easy. Me have a plan, just easy. As soon as me get rid of Jennifer, me left the country with the money.
Okay, I'm ready.
What you mean by get rid of?
Up a yard, me I go right now for her. You in or you out?
Why you know say me have to have you back? Me in, but I alone I go do it.
Alright, just go on. You know see me?
So me must pack up. So
Yeah, pack up everything. Just pack up everything. Alright.
Behave no bother with it. No, you go have me whole time. You know, go and go the way you do and come back.
Alright.
Me go pack up me something. Go on.
Rebel, you see me always a one man about that young boy. No, me can't go on road. You can't even check your man neither. Boy. Mommy no listen. So I put him in them karate. Because then come we can deal with them skin.
I'm just glad to mommy alright still, cause I don't really want nothing to her still, you know. Honestly. But it's a lesson still.
Miss Jennifer,
Ma'am?
may I have some hot water, please? I need to make some coffee.
Yes, no problem. My son in the kitchen. So you just go on and I can give you some water to make a coffee.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I only hope you not to come no young boy to come in one whole man for walking tick. You can't be nothing.
Prepare me some hot water, please. I need a cup of coffee. It's going to be a long night, alright?
Alright. You hear that, Rebel? It's going to be a long night. You better drink some too. Alright. Sure, coffee. Officer, the water is ready.
I'm coming. Excuse me?
I'm going to take time with the sugar.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll put no salt in there.
You know, this is the way I like it. Thank you.
Officer, I'm going to go sleep here.
Okay.
Because I'm kind of tired.
Alright, cool. Okay. You'll be guarded. I'm outside, okay?
Alright, thanks.
Detective?
Yes, Connie.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, we just have call to find out if everything good on your side.
Oh, yes, I'm good. Everything clear.
Yeah, man, see, no sign anymore, right?
No, they're nowhere to be found.
Alright, so you know what, man, I'm going to pull up on some leads and then we'll just come serve, you know, make sure it's out everything. See?
Okay, sure, no problem.
Alright, yeah, man, so you can get this car.
Sure will.
Yo, make sure it's in check it.
May I come? Jagger, Jagger, just let me talk to you, please.
Mama, brother.
When?
In the kitchen.
Jagger, why you do this? Why you doing this, Jagger? Jagger, you know some love you. Why you doing this?
Love me and I set up my life.
Jagger, how me I set you up? And now you are trying to kill me.
Yo, I one way me can't get my freedom, you know. And I buy get rid of you, you know. Them
Jagger.
Get up! Look how I'm trying to get up.
We were lucky enough to get a brand new M1 Mac to edit, and it is super fast. And we thank you very much for your donation. And also, we got a brand new Z6 camera, and also we got a drone. So if you're watching the video and you see those fabulous drone shot of Savlamar or Negril or anywhere in Jamaica, it is done by the new brand drone that we have gotten. So that's why I implore persons, if you want to contribute, please reach out and help what we're doing, because these little things that we have received is helping the production to get better. So thank you very much for your support. We're at this point, I stop calling names. I just make mention of the things that persons have done, because I know sometimes people don't want persons to know that they're contributing. They just want to be behind the scenes and do what they do. So thank you very much. Continue to support what we do, because you know it's getting better. But we want to share up the video, them man, please, so we can get the views, so we can bring in some revenue, so we can able to take care of those persons who are involved in the creating process. Big up on yourself, subscribe, share, like, and comment.